Good morning, it's time for Precision Talk. I'm Marketing Manager Frank Olmsted with HDS Ag, and this week, kind of flying solo again, and there's a good reason why, and that's because uh, everybody who was on the schedule to chat with me is now busy doing other things to help HDS Ag customers. So when I said, well, I got to get this thing, recorded so we can get out there, I thought maybe highlighting our service department might be the best way to go about this. So that's what we're going to chat about is HDS Ag's service department. Now, when it comes to in-season service, when it matters the most, we've got a dedicated service team to help focus on minimizing any issues so you don't have the downtime. And that could be the fact that you've got a new in command 1200 or in command go 16 or 10 and you're planting. Oh, well, with the modem, you can get connected with a 1200, but those Go displays have built-in modems. So we can remote in and see what you're seeing and help you calibrate anything or fix any issues while you're out in the field. So you don't have to wait for someone to answer the phone and then to drive out to where you are. We can help, you know, troubleshoot that issue. And if it's something that you do need a new part, then we know. So when we come out to do the service, we've got that part in hand, and we can get you back going and get you a planting because rain this week. We know how narrow those planting windows can get. So the remote support and the dedicated team that can get you what you need and get you back going is absolutely huge. And I don't want to discount the other side of the ball, which would be our operations and support staff, Sherry and Shiloh and Amy. Technically me. But I don't do a whole lot other than this. But when it comes to them broadcasting any sort of unlocks or getting your GPS subscription renewed, they help and they help right away and they get you going so you can get that crop into the ground. Now, remote support's great, but on-site field service is great as well. We've got our technicians that have a lot of truck stock. So if you're running into an issue and they show up, chances are they could have it on there. But if it's a specialty thing, maybe we need to know so we can get it on their truck so they can get it out to you. So there's a lot of ways that HDS Ag's service department can really, really help you get back going. And when it comes to the, walking you through on the phone, when it comes to coming out and running through, or even preseason inspections, we've got this great service plan where, if you call in, you get extended hours to reach us because we've got our dedicated staff that works after hours, just answering support calls. They can help you with on that. They also do the preseason inspection when you have a service plan. So they come out and they inspect the planter, they inspect the combine, whatever it is, and make sure that you don't have any harnesses that are pinched, and all your connections are good, and all your firmware is up to date, and all these things that it just takes something off of your plate that you don't need to worry about because you've got enough on your plate right now that worrying about every little minor detail might seem a little overwhelming and might not be what you want to do. And that's where the service department's great service and expertise and knowledge really comes in. So, and then when we get done with all that, we're here. We got extended hours, we got weekend hours. We can help you with that service plan. So, if you want one of those, I'm sure they can walk you through on what it takes to get one of those. Because I don't know the details, I just know what they do, and I know how life-saving they can be when you're waiting in the field because something's going on and you want to get to planting. So, if you have any questions on the service plan or you need anything when it comes to the service side of the equation, give us a call at 712-744-4468. You can find us on the web at hdsag.com or follow us on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. We've got some great videos, how-to videos and calibration videos and service videos there on our website, our YouTube page as well. And that, again, at HDSAG, just like all of our social medias, at HDSAG. Have a great day, and remember to stay safe this planting season.